Looking for the best combination locks to keep your belongings secure? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the top combination locks on the market to help you find the perfect one for your needs. If you enjoy product reviews and recommendations, make sure to subscribe for more quality videos like this. Number 1. Heavy-duty combination padlock. Heavy-duty combination padlock, a top choice for anyone looking for maximum security and convenience. This large outdoor padlock is built to withstand the elements, thanks to its high-security weatherproof design. One of its standout features is the one-touch unlocking mechanism, which makes access quick and hassle-free. The padlock also features a hidden password design, adding an extra layer of security to protect your valuables. Whether you need to secure a locker, home, school, garage, gate, or garden, this versatile padlock has you covered. Built tough for both indoor and outdoor use, it's engineered to handle harsh conditions while keeping your belongings safe. If you're in the market for a durable and secure combination lock that's also easy to operate, stick around as we put this padlock through a series of real-world tests to see how well it performs. Number 2. Desired Tools 4-digit combination lock. You can protect valuables and save cash with this combination lock from Desired Tools. It's a 4-digit model, which means thousands of combinations, and setting your code is simple. Insert and turn the reset key, dial in your preferred combo, and turn the key again to lock in the code. For additional security, the shackle will only engage when your code is dialed in. Plus, this Desired Tools model comes in black, blue, green, red, and gray, an asset that can help you identify your lock in a locker room full of other locks. Customizable combination for personalized access. Take control of your security with our padlock's easy-to-use code setting feature. Simply choose your desired combination and enjoy personalized access, all while maintaining the highest level of protection for your valuable items. Enjoy the convenience and security of our 4-digit combination code lock. Number 3. Puroma 4-digit lock. This Puroma lock can secure your valuables at the gym, at school, on the job, or around the house, as it will fit pretty much any 1/4-inch shackle opening. Resetting your code is quick and easy thanks to the dedicated code setting dial. Simply set all the dials to 0, pull up the shackle, and turn it 90 degrees. Then choose your new code and turn the shackle back. There are over 10,000 available combinations to choose from, so your code should be a hard one to crack. Made of zinc alloy and steel, the Puroma can take a beating from drops, dings, tools, and the elements. Sold as a 2-pack, you can keep one for at-home purposes and the other in your gym bag or backpack when on the go. For price, ease of use, and sheer volume of combinations, the Puroma is a solid combination lock. Sturdy and durable, this locker lock is made of high-quality and long-lasting materials. It's built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use and is resistant to rust and corrosion. Its weatherproof feature makes it ideal as a combination lock for outdoor use. Side window design. Comes in a side window design that makes it easy to set the combination. Number 4. KeyGuard SL 590. This lock box allows you to grant entrance to your home or other structure to whoever has the code by stowing keys or access cards in its 4-inch tall vault, 2 3/8 inches wide. It's a solid device if you want to let in guests, real estate agents, maintenance workers, or other individuals, or if you don't want to be bogged down by a large ring of keys. The KeyGuard lets you choose from both numbers and letters when setting the code, and the keypad with raised buttons is easy to see. The vault is made of ABS plastic over metal framing, which keeps your doors and other exterior surfaces scratch-free without compromising on the lock's overall strength. While it's not the most portable option, 2 screws fasten the KeyGuard to your property's exterior. It's a great way to secure small valuables while you're away from home. Number 5. Delswin Combination Disc Padlock. The Delswin has the materials and design features to keep thieves from getting their hands on your property. For one thing, the entire lock body is made of stainless steel. For another, the shackle receives minimal height exposure from the main lock body, which makes it very difficult to attain bolt-cutting leverage. Setting your 4-digit PIN is a breeze, but changing the code requires a screwdriver to engage the reset function. An ideal choice for a rental truck, storage unit, gate, garage, or shed, the Delswin is a worthy way to keep big-ticket valuables safe. Keyless heavy-duty lock. Say goodbye to lost keys and hello to convenience. This padlock is easy to set with a 4-digit combination, providing you with 10,000 different combinations to choose from for added security. Pick-resistant design. The padlock's round shielded design helps to minimize shackle exposure and protect against bolt cutter attacks, making it a durable and long-lasting option.